Today we will study limitation to MTI performance, moving target indicator performance. In the performance of MTI radar, the degradation caused by antenna scanning modulation, second internal modulation of clutter, and third one system instability, and last limiting in MTI radar. Okay, the performance which is degraded by these force. The limitation to MTI performance generated because of the clutter spectrum is widened, means clutter spectrum is wider. When more clutter energy will be permitted by the clutter by the Doppler filter, when more clutter energy will be permitted by the Doppler filter, then the improvement factor will be lower. Okay, if the clutter energy permitted, then the Doppler filter will improve the factor on the lower. After that, the clutter proved the Gaussian function. So the Gaussian function CF is equals to C naught expression minus F square upon 2 sigma square C, where C naught represent peak value of clutter and F is equals to 0. So when the MTI filter has a frequency response, when MTI has a frequency response HF, the clutter attenuation can be expressed as CA clutter attenuation 0 to infinity CF dF upon 0 to infinity CF HF the whole square of dF. Okay, this is a clutter attack. So the improvement can be by using a multiplication. Improvement factor can be determined is equals to clutter attenuation into average gain. So if the clutter spectrum will be shown in the Gaussian spectrum, then the improvement for single, double and cascaded delay line canceller will be, it is for single delay line canceller will be 1 upon 2 pi square sigma C upon FP the whole square. Then for the double will be 1 upon 8 pi to the power 4 sigma C upon FP to the power 4. And for the cascaded IF and cascaded will be 1 up to n factorial and FP upon 2 pi sigma C to the power 2n. So there are n different, when there are n different different effects which cause to the clutter spectrum widening, in which Gaussian is independent and overall standard deviation can be expressed as sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square plus sigma 4 up to dash 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 sigma up to n square. Okay, yes, square. Now when the subscript shows, so the total overall improvement factor can be defined as 1 upon IF is equals to 1 upon I1 plus 1 upon I2 plus 1 upon I3 plus dash 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 1 upon IN. These are the improvement factors, means which is limitation of the MTI